Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Toyota Prius bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever, typically found on the lower left side of the driver's footwell. Give it a firm pull, and you'll hear a click as the bonnet unlatches. It should then pop up slightly, indicating it's ready for the next step. This initial action is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and efficiently. Now, move to the front of your Prius. The bonnet is still slightly ajar, but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand into the gap created by the initial release. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or catch, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly while driving, so it's an important safety feature to understand. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it to the side or pull it up, depending on your Prius model, to fully disengage it. With the latch released, you can now lift the bonnet all the way up. Be sure to use the prop rod, usually found clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay, to securely hold it open. This ensures your safety while working under the bonnet. To close the bonnet, first unhook the prop rod and secure it back in its designated clip. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches from the closed position. From there, let its weight do most of the work, giving it a firm push down in the center to ensure it latches completely. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.